Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network latest YouTube video. We're doing a demonstration of the Foxwell NT680 Pro Kit. We're in a Honda Civic right now and you can see we've got the airbag light showing there and there. So we're going to use this tool to actually diagnose and reset this warning light. The NT680 is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put the link to the Amazon listing in this in the description as well. So what we need to do is from the main menu, I'm not sure how well you can see this. In fact, I'm going to go through to the beeping setting and just turn that beeping off because it can get quite annoying. And then we'll go to the diagnostic section. So I hope you can see because the light is kind of making it difficult to see here. It's a lot easier to see in real life actually. So we select our vehicle, so we're looking for Honda. Oh, it's not going to help if I'm in Europe, is it? We need to go to Asia. And then we go to Honda, there it is, Honda. And we go Smart VIN. Is it going to automatically find the vehicle? It has done. Just click OK. F2, okay. And then we'll go control modules. So we're going to select the airbag system. And we'll just click airbag. And what we're looking for is just the fault code. Read fault codes. There we go. B0028-13. DTC open or increased resistance in the right side airbag inflator. So we did find a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. So we put that back together. And what we really need to do now is just click on to in fact, airbag. Should be an option to erase codes, but there isn't. Read codes. Maybe if oh, here it is, sorry, clear codes, F3. Right, they've changed it. They've changed the way they're set up. So normally we would go back into a menu to click on erase codes, but we're doing it from the same screen here. So we'll click F3, click on erase codes. Are you sure? Yes. So when I do this, keep an eye on the airbag light there and the airbag light there. There we go, they've both gone off, and that's all thanks to the NT680 Pro. It's a really good tool actually. It just takes a little bit of getting used to. It covers all main systems, all vehicles, and it covers a lot of service modules as well, like maintenance tasks. But I've made different videos for these functions as well. So it might be worth checking out. But the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video, and I will also put the link to the Amazon listing as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.